I don't know. Which way do we go? Do we go this way or that way? Previously on Santos Chronicles, in our family's goal to hit all 50 states, we took a road trip all the way to Alabama to see my sister. And in this episode, we're going to show you what a typical Santos family road trip looks like. You'll see some unseen footage, and of course, we're going to look for the weird and wacky. And today we're looking for the ever elusive, literal fork on the road. So, let's go! Road trips are always part of my family. Like, my dad, like when we have Christmas, you'd have 9 days off. Taking the 2 weekends, we would drive for 3 days, go see my cousin Jonathan, making a stop in Vegas, and then 3 days driving back. It's kind of like how I grew up. So now, I really want to be able to do this for my family. We are at Polk-A-Dot Drive-In here on Route 66. We showed you the Blues Brothers car on a stick, but there was no Blues Brothers to be found. But I found it right here. Hey guys, how's it going? This is completely Chicago style. Santos Chronicles and the Blues Brothers. They also got a giant Elvis. Look pretty short to him. All right, we'll be seeing you in Memphis. It's kind of cold, so let us go. On day 2, we made it all the way to St. Louis. Everything was going great, and then... All right, not all road trips go perfect. We were driving back from St. Louis and got a flat tire here in the expressway now, so hopefully we can get this tire changed and get back on the road.
Stupid potholes.
Stupid potholes. So I had to drive to the discount tire. Luckily I had that insurance where they'll replace the tire, so I'm just gonna hang out and then hopefully off back to the road trip we go. We're looking to go to Alabama. All right, fresh new tires. I'm ready for go for a road. While on the trip, we started getting hungry for lunch. So we decided to stop and eat at the hometown of Superman. Making stops like this really gets us to be able to stretch our legs, get some gas, go to the restroom, buy some souvenirs. And these are just the memories that I want my family to have. So I've been obsessed with this show, Superman and Lois. And guess where we are? We are here back to Metropolis to see the Superman statue. So wherever you are, you can find cool stuff like this. So if you're ever here just passing by, you gotta check this out. And right next to it is the Super Museum. It has a lot of different memorabilia from all the different Supermans. They even got Clark Kent glasses. Watch this. I'm just Carl. Take this off. Santos Chronicles. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. It really helps our channel, and we want you to be part of the Santos Chronicles crew. I had to figure out how to get a Santos Chronicle brick. I could have one right here. I'm gonna look it up, because how awesome would that be if everyone comes here and they can say, hey, we saw the Santos Chronicles.
I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me.
So after 8 o'clock, I really do get pretty sleepy. So I drive early in the morning, so now Melissa and I are gonna switch. We're over here at the gas station. Rosie needs to go to Russia, but look at this. Gas is only $4.09. Haven't seen that in a while. In Chicago, it's like closer to $5. So we're off to see my sister. A common question we get is, how do you afford to travel so much? 1, we drive, which is way cheaper than flying. And then 2, we try to stay with relatives and then just travel around that area.
Oh, I miss you.
Yeah, we got in at 11 o'clock last night. While we were there, we checked out the Huntsville Botanical Gardens, the U.S. Space and Rocket Center, the childhood home of the King Elvis Presley, and Ruby Falls. But my favorite part is seeing the cousins play together. And the worst part is having to leave. After checking out my Roadside America app, it was now time to see the giant fork in the fork in the road. So we're going from Alabama back to Illinois. It's about 8.5 hour drive we're gonna try to do it today. But I had to stop at this roadside attraction. Oh, slow down. It's gonna be a big hill. We're gonna see a giant fork, Rosalie.
Where?
It's over here in Kentucky.
What? That's a long drive.
Where are we going? What is going on? A scary bridge. And it says impassable during high water seasons. I could see why.
The interesting thing about roadside attractions, it's not always like on a main road. Sometimes it's like hidden away and tucked away. Hey, for our viewers, we go far and beyond to try to find these roadside attractions for you guys.
Look at all those cows.
Yeah, there's a lot of cows here.
I think I see it.
So sometimes when you're driving, you end up at a fork in the road. And in this case, it's a literal fork in the road. In May 2018, a senior welding class created this fork in the road. It is 21 feet tall and weighs 680 pounds. This is amazing. We don't know where to go because there is a literal fork on the road. I don't know. Which way do we go? Do we go this way or that way? Now, anybody know where I can find a giant spoon? Put it in the comments down below.